Good morning, we're here in Phang Nga. We just took the night bus in. We got in at 4 in the morning, so we've slept up until about now. It's a little closer to noon. We're going to try and rent a motorbike and head up to Paradise Cave for the day. Okay, we made it to Paradise Cave. It took us not too long, like maybe 30 minutes. And it was a beautiful ride, except for the rain part there that we got hit in some rain, but it was nice. It cost 5,000 dong to park, and we're just gonna walk over to the cave now. Thank you. We're inside the cave. It's huge. It's so cold down here though. It's amazing. It's like really, really amazing. Look at that hole. Echo! Okay, random reference. If you all have ever played Halo 3, like I swear it's like when you're in the caves in the beginning, like shooting up all the bad guys. Yeah, it definitely looks like a Halo cave. It's insane in here. This cave is absolutely ginormous. It is so big. It just keeps going and going and going. It's really amazing. We made it out of the cave. We're walking back to the motorbike. It was a really amazing cave, like super huge. It was really cool. What do you think of it?
It's awesome.
Yeah,
It
was really cool.
Definitely worth it.
Yeah, definitely worth it for sure. Okay, so you can buy a like 60,000 dong buggy ticket, and it really is completely not worth it. That you still have to go all the way up this crazy ramp, and there's a billion stairs in the cave. Like wasting your time on like the flat ground for the buggy it's completely useless. It's a complete waste of money. Save your money, save your $3.
Walk.
And walk, yeah. So we just drove back in the pouring rain. I couldn't see anything. It was like freezing. That's why there's no film of that trip, because it's absolutely pouring out. Okay, we just had dinner at Easy Tiger. My suggestion, if you're a solo traveler, they have dorms there, and that seems to be the only place that anything is going on in this town. Everything else is dead. Easy Tiger has like live music, there's a bunch of people there, drinks, food. A little bit expensive for the food and drink section of it, but I didn't check room prices, but I would say if you're a solo traveler, that's the place you want to go, in Phang Nga. Anyway, tomorrow we will be doing Dark Cave, and the vlog's over.